We are going to have a quick look into the Toddle class flow, which is the same as the Google Classroom. So go to the unit planning overview, and on the left side you find Classroom, and in the Classroom there is the class flow. In class flow you can create an assignment. So the assignment is the create a quick task function. Create a quick task function, then let's say we want to create an homework. You could add some description here and also do an audio memo if you want to, and a submission template. So for example, you want to add a document or the Arbeitsauftrag, so the instructions. Hit the plus and add something from your Google Drive. And here you can see there is the same function as in Google Classroom. So you can choose make a copy for each student, or all students can edit this file so they share the file. So hit done, and then it's good to go. You could also add some resources or an assessment tool like a rubric if you want to, and then hit assign. And here is a very useful function. Before you assign it, you could choose if the students should submit something. So uncheck that box if you don't want them to turn something in. You also could add a due date if it's visible now, or for teachers, and then hit assign. So we created the first homework, and let's say we want to organize our class flow. So add a folder, and we name the folder homework, so we have all the homework together in one folder. Okay, share folder, and then you can drag and drop your homework into the homework folder. Then also you could create a note, so add a note, for example this due to Friday, and then drag and drop the note into the homework folder again. So there are a bunch of other functions. So create learning experience, formative assessment, and summative assessment. These work in the exactly same way as in the unit flow planning, so there is no difference, and you can just create them here and assign them directly. Create an AI tutor is very interesting, but that's a topic for another video. You could also add a link, upload some materials, and then the last thing, which is very useful, is create a Google Doc, Google Sheet, or Google Slide. For example, if you want students to brainstorm in the beginning of the lesson, you could create a document and then just share it with specific students so that you have them in groups. Quick share means you share it with all of them, and if you hit this button, you could now choose with whom you want to share it. I don't want to show it because of the names, and then hit share and you are done.